Hello everyone. In this video let's try to understand what EBITDA is, in 3 minutes. EBITDA is a financial metric used to assess a company's operating performance by measuring its profitability before accounting for non-operating expenses and non-cash items. Let's break down EBITDA into simpler terms. Earnings. This refers to the money a company makes from its core business activities, such as selling products or providing services. Before, this means we're looking at earnings before we subtract certain expenses. Interest. Companies often borrow money to fund their operations. Interest is the cost of using that borrowed money. EBITDA looks at earnings before accounting for interest expenses. Taxes. Companies have to pay taxes on their profits. EBITDA ignores taxes because they can vary widely based on tax laws and accounting practices. Depreciation. This is the gradual decrease in value of assets like buildings, equipment, or vehicles over time. Instead of accounting for this decrease in value, EBITDA looks at earnings before considering depreciation expenses. Amortization. Similar to depreciation, amortization is the process of spreading out the cost of intangible assets, like patents or trademarks, over time. EBITDA also excludes amortization expenses. Now, let's use an example to illustrate. Imagine you run a lemonade stand. You sell lemonade for $1 per cup, and you've made $500 in revenue in a day. But, to make that lemonade, you had to buy lemons and sugar for $200, pay for your stand's rent for $50, and pay your employee $100. So, your total expenses, cost of goods sold, rent, and wages, are $350. To calculate your EBITDA, revenue minus expenses equals earnings. $500 minus $350 equals $150. So, your earnings before subtracting interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization, EBITDA, are $150. This gives you an idea of how much money your lemonade stand made from its core operations without considering certain expenses. It's a helpful metric for understanding a company's profitability and financial health. I trust you found this video helpful. Thank you.